Hey guys, how are you doing? And today I decided to make a pillowcase for my body pillow. So the first thing that you're going to need is about a yard of fabric, and you're going to have to cut 2 of the size indicated. Then you want to finish your edges. So how I did mine is I did a zigzag stitch all the way around. I did it on the first one. Now we're going to go ahead and do it on the second piece. Then what you're going to have to do is get a 9-inch zipper, make sure it's centered. You're going to mark on the stoppers on each end. And then after that, you're going to grab your other piece and you're going to put them together, and you're going to go ahead and pin them together so that they don't move. Then you're going to go ahead and take it to your sewing machine, and you're going to go ahead and start stitching all the way down. So you're going to back stitch like always when you start. Then you're going to stitch all the way to the blue marking that you made, and you're going to back stitch. Then you're going to change your stitch length and make it the longest length all the way down until you get to the other end, and you're going to do the same thing. Okay, so here you want to iron down your seams nice and neatly. Then I love this tape. You want to use your Wonder Tape, and you want to put the Wonder Tape down like this. I mean, this stuff is amazing. I love it. It washes away. It doesn't make your needle sticky whenever you iron over it. Whenever you stitch over it. Press it down just like so. You do the same thing to the other side. Now you lay your 9-inch zipper down, and you're going to pin all the way around it. Then you're going to take it to your sewing machine, and you're going to stitch all the way around it in a full circle all the way around it. Now you're going to take your seam ripper, and you're going to go ahead and cut the seam so that you can reveal the zipper, as you can see right here. Okay, so here's your zipper, all nice, and it's in there, centered, very nice. Now you're going to pin all the way around, wrong sides together, and you're going to go ahead and stitch it all the way around. Now it's time to put it on, yay! And there it is, all done. Alright guys, see you later.